on this quick video, I'm going to be talking about 5 different things that may be keeping you from success in your cleaning company. Okay, so let's go. All right. Number 1, and this is very, 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 very important, and people don't understand how important this is. Okay, and it is cleanliness. So if your house is nasty, okay, junky, you're cluttered, you're living in clutter, like, if your car is cluttered and not clean, you guys don't know how detrimental living in a clean environment can be. All right, you must keep your environment clean. You can't. Okay, so I'll give you an example. You ever clean your car out, go and get your car clean, and then when you get in your car, it's nice and clean now, so you feel like it drives better? Well, it really ain't driving better. See, it's the same putt-putt, it's just clean. And you feel better when you're riding it now. I used to be like that. I used to always have a junky car, right? And then when I get the car cleaned out, I'm like, man, this car riding smooth now. Well, in reality, the car is not riding smooth. It's just clean, and your vibrations changed once you got inside a clean environment, okay? So in order to be a successful business owner, you must operate with high vibrations, all right? You gotta operate at a different level, okay? So that requires cleanliness, okay? So keeping your home clean and keeping your car clean has a lot to do with your success, okay? So I just had to throw it out there. I thought it was very, very important. I don't hear a lot of people talk about it, but I can't live in filth, all right? I can't live in clutter either. If my environment is cluttered, if I come in my office and it's shit all over the place, no ma'am, because I'm not going to be able to think with a clear mind, okay? So if your house is nasty, call 912-604. No, I'm just playing. I'm not going to promote my cleaning company on this, but you can call us, okay? If you in Savannah, Georgia area, I do got some girls I can send out there to help you out with that, okay? Plug. All right. So anyway, number 2, right? The second thing I have on my list is discipline. All right. So the goal in my life creates the discipline for my life, right? So if you have a goal of making 6 figures this year in your cleaning company, then you need to create some disciplines to follow. Some things that you need to follow, okay? And you got to get disciplined about it, all right? So if you're going to be doing any running ads or any cold calling, any door-to-door, you're going to be creating any flyers, you need to create some type of discipline to say, okay, on Mondays between 9 and 1 o'clock, I'm going to do this for my business, and stick to it, okay? So if you don't create that discipline, you're not going to get to the next level. I'll let you know that right now. If you're starting your cleaning business and you're just winging it, you don't know what the hell you're going to be doing on Monday. You don't know what the hell you're going to be doing on Tuesday. You don't have nothing written down, no plan, no game plan, no nothing. I hate to say it, but that's what's keeping you from success. You need to know how your tomorrow is going to be, okay? Let's get some order. Let's get some discipline. That's number 2. All right. So number 3 on my list, the third thing on my list is procrastination. Yeah. I tend to see a lot of people procrastinating and they're very stagnant. So you've been saying you're going to start a cleaning company for the last 2 years and you haven't gotten in motion yet. See, it's not that hard. You just have to stop procrastinating and get it done, right? So, for instance, for me, I live by what's called Parkinson's law. Okay, you can look it up. So within I give myself a certain time frame to get some stuff done. So if you give yourself until 6 months to get some flyers and a logo together, guess what? I can guarantee you it's going to take you 6 months because you gave yourself that long gap. right? But if you say by Friday, I need to have these 5 things done and crush it, really have that stuff done, you need to have it done by Friday and mean it, okay? You need to be on a time schedule and say, okay, from this time to this time, I'm going to have all these things done, and be disciplined, follow it, and crush it within a time frame, okay? But you can't procrastinate, okay? But procrastination is keeping a lot of people from success, all right? So even when you start growing in your cleaning business like me, I need to get to another level. And I might keep telling myself, hey, I need to lock down, and I need to get to that. I'm trying to get to that multi-million-dollar level. So it's going to require another set of thinking. And even me, I can't procrastinate on my next level. I started my first cleaning business back in 2018, March 2018 to be exact, okay? So when March 2019 came back around, I was grossing $10,000 a month. And that year was the year that I made my first 6 figures, okay? Here it is, 2022. Just last year, we grossed almost $500,000, and we are on our way to $1 million in revenue, man. And I'm teaching people how I was able to scale so quickly, staying consistent. Everything you need to know is in our course. It really is. Click the link down below, join our community. You'll be able to talk to like-minded entrepreneurs. You'll be able to join our group, private group coaching calls where you can ask all the questions that you want to ask, okay? And you'll even be able to do one-on-one coaching with me, all right? Tap in, quit playing with your future, join the community, and start your cleaning business today. Click the link down below. Let's get it. See you on the other side. Just got to take action. So I'm at take action mode right now, and I can't be scared to fail either, okay? Because it's all in this journey. It goes along with the entrepreneurial journey, failure. All right. So if I fail in something, I like to fail hard, learn my lesson, get up, and keep it moving. All right. But we don't procrastinate around here. We just gonna get stuff done. We're gonna jump in and we're gonna get it done. All right. So, number 4, I have. Oh man, this is a good. People are comfortable with not thinking. I'm gonna say it again. People have become comfortable with not thinking. Okay, do you know someone? I'm pretty sure everybody knows that one person that always asks, can you do this for me, or can you show me, or I might have an app, and I might send it to an employee. All the directions are there, and they just bluntly don't read it, and it's because it's easier to call someone and say, hey, what's the code? It's in the app. Everything is there for you. So people are comfortable with not using their own brains and thinking. People are lazy. So what you need to do is stop being comfortable with not using your brain and use your brain, think. And I'm telling you, the only thing that's keeping you from $1 million, and the only reason why this person made $1 million and you didn't make your $1 million is because that person is requiring a different level of thinking. Okay, and they're not lazy. They want to learn. You know what I'm saying? So pay attention to people that are figure-outable people, like me. I try to figure things out as much as I can, and then I reach out for more help when it's needed. When I've already done my due diligence and I can't get past it and I really need some help, then I'll reach out for the help. Okay? But don't be scared to use your own brain, man. Think. It's not that difficult. Trust me. Use your brain. Don't be lazy. Okay? This is the most powerful tool that God could have gave you, was your brain. Use it. Think. Okay? Don't be lazy. Don't be a lazy thinker. And last but not least, I would say your environment. Yes. So your environment can be keeping you from success. You need to pay attention to the people that are around you. Matter of fact, you need to be doing an audit on everybody in your circle. Who is adding value to your circle? Who is adding? Who is subtracting from your circle? Okay? Look at everybody in your circle that you talk to every day and ask yourself these questions. Is this person adding or subtracting? What is this person for? What are you for? What are you adding? Okay? And then slowly do an audit on people if they're not adding to your vision, to your business, to your, or even if you had someone that just uplifts you. They might not be the smartest person in the world, but if they at least uplift you and motivate you, they're a good person. You need those people around, right? But you don't need people that are bringing you down, because I'm a firm believer in keeping your vibrations high and being able to operate with good spirit at all times, okay? Because that's what it takes for you to deal with all these customer complaints, employees complaining. It takes a lot, and you have to be in a good mood to deal with it, okay? So that is my video. Those are my 5 things that I feel is keeping people from success, okay? Look at the video again. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Tenacity Academy, okay? And click the link down below and feel free to join our community, all right? Where we have like-minded entrepreneurs and we do coaching calls, group coaching calls, man. Is really, really, really inspirational, man. I'm here to help. Tap in. www.tenacityacademy.com, all right? Other than that, I'll see you on the next video, you guys.